In our next word problem, I'd like you to see that in the proportion, you don't necessarily need whole numbers. You can set up a proportion using decimals or fractions or mixed numbers. Let's try this one. Chris uses 1½ cups of sugar to make 3 dozen sugar cookies. This time, Chris wants to make only 1 dozen cookies. How many cups of sugar should Chris use? Let's identify the important information, cups of sugar and dozen of sugar cookies, and set up the proportion using the units, cups per dozen, cups per dozen. Now we'll fill in the numbers that go with the units. 1½ cups sugar corresponds to 3 dozen cookies. X cups of sugar, how many cups we do not know yet, we'll find out, per 1 dozen cookies. Now we'll use cross multiplication. 1½ times 1, 3 times x. 3x equals 1½. We're going to need to divide by 3. But you know how to do that. We're going to take x, and it equals 1½ divided by 3. So we change 1½ to its improper fraction form, 3/2, so we can divide it by 3. And we know that dividing by 3 could really be written as multiplying by its reciprocal, 1/3. 3/2 times 1/3 equals 3/6. 3/6, that could be reduced. Let's reduce it to 1/2. Just a ½ cup of sugar for a dozen cookies.